Today is Bree's second day of vaccination. Ay, second dose of vaccination. Yan o, vaccination day. Oh, ang ganda ng lugar nila oh. Nakakunti ng tao dito guys. Yan. Are you ready for your vaccine, B? Second dose? Is, eto din pag flashy mo magba-vaccine siya? Hindi. Okay. Well, let's wait for our turn, no? See, let's just wait. Thank you. There's the card. Thank you. Yeah. Does it hurt, B? No. Like a little bit lang. Hey, congratulations on your second dose.